Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and as you can see in the background, it's so important to be able to breathe and live your best life. And so that's why we're comparing the doTERRA Breathe Oil Blend as well as the Young Living Raven and Melaleuca Vapor Essential Oil Blends. And so the benefits of the doTERRA Breathe is that it minimizes the effects of seasonal threats and promotes easy breathing. The benefits of Young Living's Raven is that it supports a refreshing respiratory experience in a stuffy environment. And then finally, Melaleuca Vapor benefits are that it supports healthy respiratory function and opens your airways. The uses for the doTERRA Breathe are twofold. You can diffuse it aromatically, or you can apply 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands and inhale, or dilute and place it on your chest. And you can dilute it with the fractionated coconut oil that comes with doTERRA. The uses for the Young Living Raven are twofold as well. So you can use it in diffuser, or you can dilute and apply 1 to 2 drops to the bottoms of your feet before bed, or on shower walls and bath water. And as you can see with the pattern, a lot of these uses can carry over, especially when they're both aromatic and topical use for each of the brands. And then finally, with the Melaleuca Vapor, you can inhale from your hands after you put a couple drops and rub them together. And then you can dilute also and apply it to the chest, neck, or behind the ears, or use a warm compress for better absorption, which is basically like a warm, damp rag on the area that you want to work on, and then let it kind of do its thing, and then you put essential oil on top with a fractionated coconut oil or a carrier oil to help it absorb better. The ingredients of the doTERRA Breathe are laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, ravintsara leaf, and then ravensara leaf. There is a difference. Alright, the ingredients of the Raven are ravintsara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, lemon, and wintergreen. And then finally, the ingredients of the vapor are eucalyptus, peppermint, cypress, Mei Chang. That's right, that is an ingredient. Myrtle, bay, and elamai. And so you can see there's some similarities as well as some differences in the ingredients, with doTERRA having a couple different types of ravintsara and sharing that with Young Living, but also you want to make sure that you pay attention to where it's sourced. And so I'll have more information on how you can view that in the description below. And then as for pricing, you have doTERRA being $26.66 retail for a 15 milliliter bottle, which is about 250 drops, or $20 wholesale. And I have other videos that kind of cover the difference between retail and wholesale, so you can check those out. I also have links in my description below of this video. And then the price for the Raven is $47.04 retail, and then $35.75 wholesale. So you can see that Young Living is more expensive than doTERRA with regards to a similar or comparable blend. And then finally, the Melaleuca Vapor, the price is $26.67 regular, which is very similar to the retail of the other companies, or $14 for preferred. And so you can see that it does have the lowest prices, but that preferred comes with some other things you need to do in order to basically earn that price. I'll have more information on what that looks like for each company in the description below, so you can check those out. And then other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out those links so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.